Humility and low confidence. What is the difference? Many times we think people who are humble are low in confidence or they are weak. We even sometimes think that humility itself is a weakness, but actually humility is a great strength. So humility is not thinking less of oneself, but it is thinking of oneself less. Humility is born out of surrender. Surrender to a greater cause or surrender to a higher reality. In humility, we don't think low about ourselves. In low confidence, one thinks less of oneself. In humility, one knows what is one's strength and one uses it for a higher purpose. The ego is kept in check because of humility. In low confidence, one doesn't know one's strength. One is brooding over one's weaknesses. So one doesn't feel very good about oneself. A person who has humility has self-love, feels good about oneself, doesn't feel weak or not up to the challenge. A person with low confidence does not have self-love. Hence one feels weak. One feels, I can't do this. I can't take up any challenges. One wants to escape. A humble person is ready to take on even mightiest of challenges because one knows that my capabilities may be limited, but there is an infinite source of strength in whom I have anchored. It can be the higher reality, God, or it can be a noble selfless cause. A humble person is very proactive. A person who is low in confidence may be very inactive or reactive. Humility helps us to break out of our shell. Low confidence pushes us into our shell. Two beautiful examples for humility are the tongue. Throughout our life, the tongue which is soft and supple is the symbol of humility. This tongue survives, but the teeth which are strong, which are rigid, they fall away. Hence it is the humble who will always achieve and yet be grounded. Humility helps us to be sensitive, to be caring, to be open to listening, to be open to feedback. The management expert Jim Collins says humility is the X factor of leadership. Level 5 leader exhibits humility. So level 5 leader is much more open, empathetic, receives the feedback of the customers, shareholders, employees, team members. In fact, many of the product innovations come by listening with humility. So humility is a great virtue, a great strength, even in our workaday world. In humility, there is no anxiety because ego pressure is less. In low confidence, ego pressure is very high. The second example is the example of the grass. Mighty trees get uprooted, but the simple grass can survive any massive cyclone. It knows how to sway with the wind and it is flexible. Person with low confidence needs sympathy, needs attention, needs care, is not able to go out and give it. Person in humility needs nothing, is able to go out, give love, be caring, be kind, be compassionate. We find that people don't want somebody who is low in confidence, whether in relationships or in a professional capacity or in socializing, everywhere. One wants people who are confident. Humility also does not mean that we allow people to take us for granted. That's another wrong notion about humility. One can be firm, one can be assertive, yet be grounded and be humble. Person who is low in confidence, that person will get taken for granted and people exploit such a person. Humility is the first quality to gain knowledge. In the 13th chapter, the Lord lists out various qualities and actually he calls them as knowledge. In that the first quality he says is amanitvam, adambhitvam. So amanitvam, one who is humble, who does not have pride, who is humble yet strong. Such a mind which is humble can gain knowledge. Not a mind which is weak, which has low confidence. Arjun had to be whipped out of his low confidence and weakness, and he was made ready to gain the knowledge. Persistence, patience, fortitude is very high in people who are humble. So they don't give up very fast. They strive continuously to achieve their goals. When we act out of ego or when we are low in confidence, we give up very fast. So let's not be low confident about humility. Let's be confident about humility. Be humble, be grounded, be strong, be rooted. Enjoy your day with tremendous confidence and humility.